I hate people.
Why?
People ruin everything and are just annoying in general.
I don't think that's true. I mean, when we put a flag on the moon, the sun's rays turned it white. And now it represents all the blank potential we have. We can all be the worst, but we can be the best too.
What do you think, Billy?
I have to pee.
Yeah, but do you think people are annoying?
What do you think, Billy?
I think you're being annoying right now.
You're kidding, right? Billy, you're kidding! Billy! Billy!
Locked.
Get out, you perv!
What's all this then, huh? Hey, Jesus Christ. Well, this thing ain't open then, huh? Hey.
The flag we put on the moon used to stand for America's superiority over the Soviets. And now it's white. It's a flag of surrender to the vastness of the cosmos and our inability to change things as simple as rays from the sun. I surrender.